Okay, so good day grade 4. So our lesson for today is solving equation. So I have here example or a problem. So Miss Gomez wrote this equation on the board. So sumulat daw si Miss Gomez ng equation sa board wherein 10 plus n is equals to 14. So the letter n here is represent the missing number or the missing term. So ito yung hahanapin natin, yung n. So what is the value of n in the equation? So that is the question. Okay, but before we solve the problem, so let us know what is equation. So equation is a mathematical sentence with an equal sign. So this is an example of equation. So 10 plus n is equals to 14. Okay, so now we will solve for the letter n. Okay, so in solving the letter n, we will use the inverse operation of the given question. So if meron tayo ditong addition, gagamit tayo ng subtraction because the inverse of addition is subtraction. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so our problem here is 10 plus n is equals to 14. So 10 plus n is equals to 14. So we will use the inverse operation, which is subtraction. So therefore, 14 minus 10 is equals to n. So 14 minus 10 is equals to 4. So therefore, n is equals to 4. So yung answer dito is 4. So ganyan yung on how to solve the equation or the missing number. Okay. So another concept, grade 4. So gumagamit tayo ng iba't ibang letters to represent the missing number. So pwede tayong gumamit ng letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D, E, F, G, and so on and so forth. So let's have another example. So example number 2. Example number 2. Okay. So what if meron naman tayong equation na 15 is equals to t minus 9. Okay. So the missing number represented by letter t. So we can rewrite this in subtraction form or subtraction sentence wherein t, so kapag nire-write natin ganito siya, t is equals minus 9 rather is equals to 15. So parang katulad dito sa number 1 example. So wherein ang hahanapin natin or the missing number here is yung letter t. So to solve this equation, we will use the inverse operation. So if subtraction yung ginamit dito na operation, so therefore gagamit tayo ng addition. So meaning addition. So 15 plus 9. So 15 plus 9 we have 24. So therefore t is equals to 24. And then if we will rewrite this para makumpleto na natin, di ba ito? Pwede nating i-change ng 24 to, or simply we can rewrite this by 15 is equals to 24 minus 9 because nakuha na natin yung missing number. So ito yon, missing number. So take note, missing number lang yung sinosolve natin dito sa solving equation na lesson natin. Okay, so let's have another example. So what if We have example number 3. So what if I have here an equation 2 multiplied by r is equals to 18? Okay, since we already know that this is a multiplication sentence, so the letter r is the missing factor or the missing number. So you have learned that the inverse operation of multiplication is division. So therefore gagamit tayo dito ng division to solve the missing factor or missing number. So if we will rewrite this 18 divide 2 is equals to r. So ganyan, nire-write natin siya. So hanapin natin yung missing number or missing factor. So 18 divide 2, we have 9. So therefore, r is equals to 9. Okay, nabaligtad ko. R is equals to 9. So dapat ganito yung pagkaka-arrange niya or pagkakasulat. So therefore, pwede na natin ma-substitute or mailagay yung answer or yung missing term or missing number. So 2 times 9, we have 18. So gumagamit lang tayo dito ng inverse operation. Okay, so last example. So division naman. So since kabaligtaran ng division is okay, so let's have last example. So example number 4. So I have here an equation m divide 4 is equals to 25. So the inverse operation of division is multiplication. So therefore gagamit tayo ng multiplication. So m is equals to 4 times 25. Oops, nabaligtad ko. Okay, so pwede na rin yan. So 4 times 25, we have 100. So therefore, the missing number here or the missing divisor or quotient missing number is 100. So m is equals to 100. So if we will rewrite this, so pwede natin siyang isulat ng 100 since na-substitute na natin or ito na, nakuha na natin yung sagot. So 100 divide 4 is equals to 25. So this is 100. So the same lang. So take note na tawag dito. Take note na inverse operation lang yung ating ginagamit para makuha yung sagot. So yun lang grade 4. Goodbye.